Alright, so this video is about making light buckets. I found a fantastic way to put lights on the inside. Now, I'm thinking when I get done, I will probably paint the backs black. Probably just shoot a little bit of black spray paint in on them or something, because you can actually see the light coming through on the inside. So, to make them, glue sticks. I just have some Gorilla Glue ones. These are the full-size glue sticks. Very inexpensive. So all you do, take your razor blade and cut you a piece of glue stick, however deep you think you need it. Okay, so I'll show you. Doesn't have to be perfect, square or anything, so you about that much should be good. Then you take, so this is a 3mm that I'm going to put in here, and I have a drill. I don't have the drill size off the top of my head here. Of course, I have my drill kit here. Maybe I can look and tell you. So it is a 1/8 drill bit for a 3mm. Seems to work pretty good. Just put it in the center. Make sure you don't drill your fingers. Drill you out a hole, stick your light in the hole, actually this side, and then all you do is use a little torch and heat that glue stick up, and then once it's a little bit warm, you only have to do it for a couple seconds. Then you just stick it on the hole where you're going to put the light. Oops. I can't, yeah, it's off camera. There we go. So then you would just stick it on the hole. You would actually look through. I don't have the sticker cut or the paint scraped off, but if I'm putting it through this hole here, actually, so this one, these are going to be turn signals. I'm going to put them in here. So I would cut out a little round hole in the sticker, because I want to leave the actual thing there for the light sticker. Just cut out a round hole and then scratch off the paint behind it, so that'd be right next to the headlight. So I just scratch off the paint. I use my X-Acto knife. Maybe you can find a better way to remove the paint. And then you just, once it's heated up a little bit, you just push it and it'll go right up against it, and instant light holders light buckets, what do you want to call them? I guess light holders would probably be better. They're really not buckets. But anyways, that's how I'm doing it on this car with my pretty much all my lights that I'm going to be sticking in through the body. I don't know if I've got probably some red and blues that I'm going to put on the rear windows here, and I don't know how it's going to look. I might end up doing that with a red one here on this inside of this window with a glue stick. Not sure. I'll probably try it and see how it works. One thing great about hot glue is it comes off fairly easy. So anyways, that is my new idea for making light holders.